Today, we will discuss MoEngage and CleverTap. The ultimate objective shared by both platforms is to boost consumer engagement and retention. In essence, MoEngage and CleverTap are both made to assist companies in enhancing client interaction and promoting expansion via data-driven marketing tactics. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. MoEngage. Strong analytics are also provided by MoEngage, although there are variations in the way data is processed and stored. While MoEngage also uses AI for personalization and optimization, CleverTap's AI is frequently seen as a crucial differentiator. CleverTap tends to have a greater ability to keep a larger amount of user data for longer periods of time. CleverTap is frequently commended for its detailed data retention, reliability, and real-time data processing. This makes it possible to get quick and in-depth information. CleverTap highlights its AI-powered features, especially in the areas of personalized suggestions and predictive analytics. CleverTap has a reputation for having extremely high real-time engagement across a wide range of channels. All in all, both platforms have a strong segmentation features that let marketers split up their audience into several groups according to a range of factors like demographics, behavior, and preferences. The ability to create and manage comprehensive user profiles on both platforms facilitate the tailoring of marketing communications.